Rizoba akakiiko kishenjera k'ebyokwerinda hamwe n'ak'amateeka kabugana abakungu okuruga omu banki enkuru kandi ababembirwe Dr. Michael Ating Ego abashobora abanyeshenjero ngu iteeka eri ryahinguzibwa nk'okukiri kibaasa kucendeeza amaani ga shillings ya Uganda wageragyeranisa n'amahanga agandi kandi kireeta eby'entaasya by'ihanga byatambura kubi.
We are going to have a substantial depreciation of the currency, because you need to make imports more expensive in order to equate imports to exports. So this is the main risk of this bill.
Ugu yanjiragira ngo bwahati amateeka gariho gahereza banki enkuru kuniera kushwijuma sente ziri kutaha mu ihanga hamwe n'eziri kushohora mu ihanga ngo kuhindura mu nkoreegi kibaasa kureetaho obuzibu.
This bill is bringing restrictions into cross-border transactions, meaning that it is bringing restrictions on the inflows to this country. And we run a risk of reducing substantially the inflows into Uganda.
Kandi abanyadiini abarikwegiransa ekigombe kya Interreligious Council ababembirwe Apostle Serwada bagira ngu iteeka eryahinguzibwa nk'okurri ribaasa kurara ryabihaho obugabe bw'okushaba.
Respectfully caution Parliament that if the bill is passed as it is, it threatens the existence of religious and faith-based institutions and organizations, as it will stifle their funding base, open up their financial and internal affairs to the scrutiny and oversight of government, while grossly hindering religious freedom, independence, and evangelism.
Aba banjira bajanguza mu projects z'ekanisa zibaasa kurara zarema kugenda omu maisho abo kugira ngu abarikubaha obuyambi bw'okuziteeka aha mutindo babaasa kutiina.
It may affect churches, NGOs, schools, humanitarian bodies, private businesses, development programs, and diaspora-supported initiatives. I must hasten to add that even mosques will be very badly affected. They may also slow investment, remittances, and legitimate international support.
Akakiiko aka kariyo nikagenda omu maisho n'okuvugana abantu batari bamwe na bamwe okugezaho kukora iteeka eri. Amakuru agagasha Ronald Ngabirano aha bw'atayari wese.